This is a review for the Superbaking Sourdough Starter Kit. So just like a lot of people, I tried my hand at making sourdough, and I knew that with doing that, I needed to get a starter kit with some of the most basic accessories. So I came across this kit, and what I have found is this kit is not only for beginners, it is even for the most advanced bakers because it really does come with everything that you need to make sourdough. So as you can see right now in this glass bowl, which does not come with the kit, but I have my sourdough resting. To get it to this stage, you want to use this Danish dough whisk, which is an amazing tool. This is in place of a mixer. So all you do is you just kind of mix your water, your starter, and your flour until you get kind of a shaggy dough, which you can kind of see I have in here. So once this does the first rise, I will transfer it into the banneton. This is really why I bought the kit. I knew I needed a banneton. This size is absolutely perfect for the loaf that I like to make. It comes with this insert in here. This is washable, but you don't need to wash it every time. If you flour the surface, it won't stick. And then it comes with the rest of these accessories as well. I love this scraper. It does come with the plastic one, but I do prefer the metal one. It works great just to handle your dough, especially when it's sitting on a flat surface. And then this is the scorer, so you do need to be careful. This is quite sharp, but this is amazing if you want to do some of those intricate designs on top of your sourdough, or if you just want to cut just a basic lip in it, it works great for that as well. So overall, this is an amazing set. Like I said, if you're a beginner or even for an advanced bread maker.